Hey amigos, today we have a sweet treat for you. The Publix ice cream truck has made a special stop in downtown Orlando. This was a really fast and efficient line. We got our samples of lemon berry bliss for me and the peanut butter chip for Remy, and super friendly service, but I mean, you wouldn't expect anything else from Publix, right? I can't wait to dig into this before it starts melting. Here's the list of options. This is like almost 31 flavors. There are so many options. You have like non-chocolate, fruity, vanilla, chocolate, Moose Tracks is amazing. And then you have some lactose-free options for those of you who don't want lactose. And then they have like a full non-dairy and a no sugar added. So truly something for everybody. Are you feeling a strike today? Hey!
The Publix ice cream truck is coming to your neighborhood. So this Sunday, July 9th, they're gonna be at the Riverwalk in Tampa at the Glazer's Children Museum. So bring your family, bring your friends, bring your coworkers, and have some great community. The rest of the month they're at Lakeland on July 13th, at Barnett Family Park, and then they end the tour at West Palm Beach at the Science Center.
Which you're gonna be a star.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, that looks good. All right, we went back for round 2. I got the mint chocolate chip, and Remy got the lactose-free vanilla, which is so cool that they have those options for everybody. I've had this flavor before, but I hadn't had the first one, and so actually I think I might buy it. Like, Publix, did you hear me? I'm actually gonna go buy your ice cream because you did this. Check out any of your local Publixes because you can get all of the flavors here. Look, there's the pina colada. Ooh, I wish we had the Bucky's fudge, Buckeyes fudge. That sounds really good. For $4.55, $4.99, that's really not bad. It's a quart of ice cream. That was the lemon berry bliss. I really like that one. And you can go beyond just the limited edition flavors. They have their traditional frozen yogurts, fudgy brownies, birthday cake for $6.39. And Publix is always good for that BOGO, so just be on the lookout.
So we walked over to Lake Eola, and we're gonna feed the swans. You got 2 choices when you do feed them. You can put in quarters and get some like millets, or you can go over to your local Publix grocery store and get some romaine hearts. This stuff is healthy for them, and it's not gonna kill the swans.
Hey, buddy. Ah! Oh, you sound so pretty. Would you like one? Oh, yeah. Oh, I got my fingers. You're a little ballsy, aren't ya? Would you like another one? Ah, he's got little teeth. Hi. Hi, Australian black swan. Let's be nice. There you go. Oh, okay. All right, here you go, buddy. I don't want to squash. Oh, you took that. Now, lettuce is okay, and the millet is okay, but contrary to what people do, bread is not okay for birds. And they have signs saying what you can and can't feed them. The bread expands in their stomach. It's not like a natural thing for them to eat, so don't do that. Do this instead. Yeah. The lettuce? Baby, want the lettuce? Oh, you want the lettuce? I'm afraid of their teeth. Here you go. Hi, baby. Yeah, I got to feed the baby. Okay. All right, buddy. Oh my God, he has really sharp teeth. It's like cutting that lettuce in half. Do not confuse it for the finger. Oh, we almost got it. Can you dare to come closer? Sort of like domineering thing happening where... Do you think they can do tricks? Here, catch! Ready? Nope, not the smartest. Mallards are pretty cool. I gotta finish this real fast so I can get another one. Just can't run. Oh, stolen! Oh! Oh, someone won him over with the duck food. Oh, he's going nuts. Look at that.